Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to enable swipe left for Google News Feed on Android so you can stay updated with the latest headlines right from your home screen. Step 1. First, grab your phone and tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen. This action opens up your phone's customization menu where you can personalize your layout and other visual settings. Step 2. Now, from the options that appear at the bottom of the screen, find and tap on Settings. This will open up a new screen with different layout and feature controls for your home screen. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu until you see the option that says Add Media Page to Home Screen and click on it. This option is usually off by default, which is why you haven't seen Google News there yet. Step 4. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Once it's on, make sure to choose Google Discover as the media page you want to display. This tells your phone to show Google News when you swipe left. Step 5. Now go back to your home screen. Give it a try, swipe left, and you should see Google News Feed pop up, ready with articles, weather updates, and personalized stories. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.